the rise of China and the more significant presence of China in the international politics and in the world economy, according to our understanding, it's not a threat, it's an opportunity for all countries. Since China became a leading country in many highly developed industries, like EV industry and energy, green energy industry, so telecommunication industry. On those fields, the cooperation can also be strengthened, because those who are arguing in favor of starting a trade war against China and rising tariffs in the automobile industry don't take into consideration the fact that the car manufacturing companies who are actually present in China, the European ones who are present in China, they are opposing the tariffs. So what we are advocating in favor of is having a deal, not introducing tariffs. Hungary has a strong and very clear voice on that, and since we are having the rotating presidency for 6 months, we use that window of opportunity, not talking about ideology, pragmatic, everyday solutions, and no ideologically driven Cold War measures. This is the recipe which is promoted by the Hungarian presidency.